Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start our computer subject today. So today we are going to continue our the lesson number 3, that is MS Word, on page number 38. So today we are going to learn what is the grammar checker and how we can do grammar checker. So first of all, define is given on page number 38, grammar checker. Word also provide facility to check the grammar mistake in the text. It also provide facility to correct those grammar mistakes. This facility is called grammar checker. So how we can know that this is our grammar mistake? So that also we will learn in this session. So first of all, grammar checker is activated in the same way as spell checker is activated. So when you did spelling checking, so there was one type of line, wavy line. So same way in grammar mistake is there, you will see one type of wavy line. So except you have to select. So what you have to do, you have to select check grammar with spelling option from word option dialog box. So here is the example. If by mistake you type me will tell you a story of crow, okay, me will tell you story of crow, you typed this sentence. So instead of typing, and you have to instead of you wrote this sentence and you have to write this one. So that was the wrong sentence and this is the correct. I will tell you a story of crow. So this is the correct sentence and this is the wrong sentence. So then the word me will get underlined by blue colored wavy line as shown below. So instead of me, your grammar mistake is here, that you have to type over here, instead of me, I, that is I will tell you a story of crow. So we did mistake, but computer will not make mistake, so it will change this word into I, letter I. So how does it does correcting grammar mistake? Few are the steps given on the textbook, page number 38. Right click on the grammatical wrong word underlined by blue line. First of all, you will able to see the blue line, this is your wrong word, okay, that is this is your grammar mistake. A list of suggestions word appears, okay. When you click the right button of your mouse on that word where is the blue line, you will see a list of word, which word you want to use, I or any another word, okay. So from that you will, after clicking on that letter or a word, it will change automatic on the given sentence. So clicking on the desired word, what it will happen, the wrong word gets replaced by the correct word, okay. So your option is also there, that it will check your grammar mistake and spelling mistake also, and you can replace by selecting the desired letter or a word. Number 39, another option for you, that is the find command. How to find command and what is the find command? First of all, we will learn the definition of it. Using the find feature of word, it is possible to find words or phrase. These options help you to find any word or a phrase or a paragraph, okay. So how to do that? Step is given. For example, the crow and the eagle. It was a bright spring day. This is the heading, and about it, about the crow and the eagle, okay. So here is the option. You can use Control plus F letter, okay. Both key you have to press together, and here you will able to see a shortcut way to find any word or a phrase you want, okay. And here is a step with the help of keyboard you can do, also you can do with the help of mouse. First of all, on the screen, click on the home button, click the home tab, okay, with the help of mouse. In the editing group, click the find command, and there you will able to see a find command, okay. So click on that. So after clicking on that, you will see on the left side of the window this type of screen it will appear. Okay, so navigation pane gets display. Now what you want to find, any word or a phrase. Okay, so here it is option, type the word that search you want. For example, ship. So when you type in this box ship, so wherever ship you want to see, you can see. So use the arrow keys to move through the result shown in the navigation pane. When you click on the type text box ship, you will able to find the word you typed in the text box. For example, ship. Okay students, so this is the option for you. So now we will do a replace command. So shortcut key of the replace command with the keyboard you can do, press both the key together, Ctrl plus H. Okay, so when you press this both the key together, Ctrl plus H, you will able to see replace dialog box. Replace dialog box. Here with the help of this you can change the word, that is once you find the word and you want to change that word, so you can do with the help of replace command. So replace commands help you for that. It is also possible to replace text using the replace command. Replace means place of that word where that word is given. I want to change that word given on the particular place or on the particular paragraph, wherever this word I want to change that word. So perform the following steps of a replace word in the document. Replace means in that of in place of that word I want another word. Okay, so here are the few steps. For example, here it is given the crow and the eagle, the same option for us. How to do? Same thing. Step 1, go on the home tab. Okay, click over there and there you will see able to see an option. Editing a group, click the replace option. So here you will see first was the find. Okay, एक बार आपको मिल गया और ये ऑप्शन करना है कि जहाँ भी मुझे पर्टिकुलर वर्ड चाहिए वो मुझे फाइंड करना है। और आपको एक दूसरा भी ऑप्शन मिल रहा है कि जो वर्ड है वहाँ पे दूसरा वर्ड टाइप करना है, गलती से ये हो गया, करना था ये, तो रिप्लेस हेल्प्स यू फॉर दैट. So same thing, screen will appear. For example, here it is given say ship. Okay, in the text box you want to replace ship. In the place of, you are going to write in the place of ship you want, here it is given another option, that is the replace. So wherever the ship is written word, you want to replace with that word another word, that is the got. शिप की जगह आपको got लिखना है, तो फाइंड किया, चेंज किया और गोट हो गया. So this option help you for this. Click on the replace to replace only a first occurrence of the word. क्लिक ऑन द रिप्लेस ऑल. देखो दो ऑप्शन है, रिप्लेस यानी एक बार या जितनी बार भी शिप लिखा हुआ वहाँ पे गॉट चाहिए तो रिप्लेस ऑल. सी बोथ द ऑप्शंस आर देयर. रिप्लेस पर्टिकुलर वर्ड, फर्स्ट लाइन वर्ड, वेयर इज द कर्सर, और रिप्लेस ऑल. रिप्लेस ऑल मीन्स इन द फुल पैराग्राफ, फुल पेज वेयर इट इज or whatever work you did in each and every page, it will change that word or a letter. Okay, so keep in mind before the replace selecting option, replace you want to do on the line or you want to replace all on the full page. Okay students, thank you everybody, have a nice day.